Crane positioning systems are used for unmanned material handling by cranes in the concentrate and tailings storage of a mineral processing plant. 3 5-ton cranes and 1 10-ton crane are busy in the bulk materials workshop carrying materials out of the warehouse, moving materials from the pool to the truck constantly according to the task work order. The crane positioning system provides accurate and reliable crane position data for the WMS and logistics management systems, enabling smooth automation. What's more, the system realizes intelligent collision avoidance between multiple cranes on the same span, significantly enhancing the safety of automated handling.